What's in there? Can I have one?
Yum, yum.
I want that egg.
Here, this way.
She's going to stand
Go
on
this
the
way. The parents coaching. The grandparents.
So,
Wait, this way. No, Sarah.
Whoa.
I got something bigger than that.
I'm gonna be busy.
Come here. What's that?
hey, Zena.
It's over in 5 minutes.
Sarah? What is this?
What is that?
Yeah, I think you found it. Hurry up.
What? Sarah, is that whole basket for you? Is that what you saying, Marie? Sarah, I think she's saying that you should take that basket.
Take that basket. Wow.
Take the whole thing. Wow. Mommy. Look, Marie helped Sarah find that whole basket.
Look at that. Oh, goodness.
Oh.
Goodness.
But that's not her.
That is not.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. Yeah, me with you.
Sarah, tell Aunt Marie thank you for finding that basket.
I don't think we can put it anymore. You don't love the eggs anyway. The eggs big.
Yeah.
I don't think we can put any more on.
Sarah, can you give her a hug and say thank you?
Yeah.
Thank you. Kids are gonna
Oh,
drive
my
us.
goodness, there, now you can put a couple more on.
Sarah, do you like Easter? Huh? Sarah, look up. You like Easter?
Dude, that's